Your YouTube channel is looking good right now. I need to get on that wave
Dude, I just
soon.
been like just uploading crap. I need to
Yeah,
like
but I saw
freaking
you got a good response because of YouTube videos too.
yeah. Cause I start man, I'm gonna start like posting everything on Facebook, start making people click on Facebook
Yeah,
to go to
yeah,
my
yeah. No,
YouTube
you want
channel, you
that
know what I
link.
mean? All right, so here we are. Today is December 1st. This is literally crunch time. This is the fourth quarter. It's the 2 minute drill in football. We in the red zone, finishing up Clover Lane. Got Fahad's been doing a good job with the project management. I think we've both been learning some things along the way. And what we're doing now is kind of coming up with what is called in project management the punch list. So the punch list oftentimes is the most difficult part of the project. Normally, the big ticket items are pretty well easy to do. You know what I mean? You boom, 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 boom. But unfortunately, at the end of a project, there's a lot of little detailed items. Like when moving, it's easy to move this desk, it's easy to move that credenza. But when it comes down to getting the utensils out of the drawers, wrapping up your cups, you know what I mean? Packing up the little things, coming back and cleaning up, fixing the holes in the wall. It's all these little things that you don't really give a lot of credence to that just sneak up and just crush you at the end. So we're trying to get in front of that. And so what we're doing right now is coming up with our game plan.
Cause we're going old school. We just pretty before we put on our update our calendar, we're just writing out a list, like you said, a punch list of things we're gonna have. And I'm gonna go old school here. We're gonna print out some pictures as we go throughout this last week. Just cross things off. It's like a task list, almost like
It
a
is exactly what
accomplishment
it
sheet.
is.
What we have to do.
Hold on one sec. I bet. I think we bet. Oh, hold on. Let me check to make sure that.
All
All
right.
right, cool. So go ahead.
So we're back. So as we're going over this, pretty much we're updating our calendar and we're making a task list. That's what it is. As we go throughout this week and the beginning of next, we're just gonna check off everything that we have to do. And this is like what we've been doing throughout the whole project, but this is really crucial. As Anthony mentioned, this is crunch time because a lot of things went well. Now it's at the end, so we just want to finish strong.
That's it.
So we're just going back.
All right. So we kind of went back, just kind of review everything here. Um, what we got going is interior painting, still some little odds and ends to finish painting up. We've got the appliances coming on Friday. We think we're getting the cabinets for the kitchen coming on
Wednesday or
Wednesday, I believe it
Thursday.
is. And so what's cool is, let me flip over here. We know we got, this is what the kitchen is going to look like. I mean, down to the color is gray, white trim. We got white cabinets. We got stainless steel appliances coming in. This hole is going to be filled by a microwave on top. We got granite countertops coming as well. Stainless steel double sink. And then we also have a dishwasher,
Yep.
stainless steel dishwasher, cabinet over top. And then like right beside this picture doesn't depict it, but there's a door going out to the back where you see your backyard. And then also, I think I got the old one. Let me pull up the new one that shows the breakfast bar. All right, so let me pause that. All right, so anyway, we don't have the latest one, but we're gonna have a breakfast bar in there as well, granite countertops. So that's gonna be cool. So we know that's the things that we got still got to get done. We got to paint the interior doors, bathroom. We got to paint the window benches. Um, then there's some exterior things that need to be done. So I still need to finish power washing some of the areas. I guess that's 2 words, ain't it? All right. Come on. And then we've got the sand stain, resurface the floors throughout the house. And the bathrooms, we got to install the vanities in both the up and downstairs bathrooms, put the mirrors up with the medicine cabinets, install the toilets, place the shower head in the kitchen. Again, we talked about the flooring before the cabinets come. Painting's done now. In the basement, got some cleanup to do, floor drain, and then potentially even some painting.
Uh, for the kitchen, we forgot to add the granite installation.
All the count. Yeah, yeah, good point.
The what was the guy's name? Adam.
Adam.
Try to give him call tomorrow. Did you get his number by chance or
I
no?
don't.
All right, I'll try to give it a call
Yeah.
tomorrow. So
So,
let's put Adam next to it for now, so Dan knows too.
all right. So then, pretty much, that's it. We got some more painting to do on the outside. And then the important thing is just last but not least, the overall cleanup, right? So
Yep.
we got a bunch of crap in the basement. You know, I
Stuff in
got
the
stuff. I
front.
got my crap. Got some of the tools and
Yeah.
whatnot. So I get all that stuff out of there. And touche. Something I want to do is not necessarily
Oh,
essential is the garage.
yes. Yep. No, that's something we talked about
Yeah.
jumping on, but that
Add
just
some water mix or whatever. Say concrete.
the paint. Yeah.
Concrete plaster for garage wall.
Put your name next to that.
Yeah.
And I don't think we just talked about them. Did we add the drainage for the basement?
No. We
need to add it.
Pretty much everything in the basement now at this point.
Yeah.
Is on me. All right. Let's see. General cleanup.
General cleanup. Yep.
So for the doors for interior, so after we get the doors painted and whatnot, we need those locks installed. So install doorknobs. Locks. Oh. French door.
Yes.
Replace the French door. Then add doorknob. Yeah.
Yes. That was when I was like, I know we're missing something. So
that's why it's important to have like listed out. You know, you can't.
No, this is exactly what I wanted to do. Because the I can put stuff on the calendar because we always do, but some things we're gonna rearrange based on the situation. That's why I mentioned it's good that we have the whole crew back because we have now 7 people instead of just 3, and we can one person's work on this, another then Dan does what he needs to do as well.
So on the
do you have a printer here by chance?
Yeah.
Yeah,
exterior chimney sweep still.
To be determined.
All right, and then I was about to say something else. Just slipped my mind. Oh, interior, something that's still on the docket we ain't decided about, but I'm gonna put it in here is gas log, fireplace.
Put JT's name next to it, and then put to be determined as well.
Yeah. So that's the gist. So I mean, it's kind of how the project started off. We kind of listed everything out on the board, so everybody can see that. We listed everything out on the board, wrote it up, came up with what we thought that our budget would be, and it's going to be tight. I think it'll be really close, but for the most part, we stuck to the budget, so that's cool. I'm just trying to think room by room what is left, and I'm thinking that's the gist of it.
Room by room, really, it's just paint because of the lighting. The vanities went up. I'm not sure if they put I think they put the light plates, but I'm not sure. I have to check. But all the switch panels, I think they're done, but I have to double check as well.
Oh, one thing that needs to be done to interiors, I need to replace furnace filter. I'm gonna put that in the basement.
The new one?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do it? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, because JT even admitted it. So with all that drywall dust and all that crap, and
true.
Somebody had the register turned vent removed, so all that drywall and crap was getting down in there.
No, because that was usually 2 to 3 months I replace it. No, that's true. That's a good point.
right.
Put your name next to this. I'll do it too. Whoever, me or you, we'll take care of that.
Number, pull it out and put another one in.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. Whoever gets it, I do it all the time for my parents.
HVAC warranty.
The appliance and stuff. How does that work? Do you register or do they do it automatic? Are they standard appliance?
They standard. They should all. I'm gonna put all the because it'd be under my name, so I'm gonna do everything under my name or under the business name.
All right, cool.
So, all right, and
let me see. But no, like that's something we have to call Scott for, correct?
You shouldn't have to. I don't know. I got all the stuff right there.
If it's online, or I can just ask. JT did mention he got. I have most of the receipts, and then he sent them most. JT has some too for the finishing. He's giving.
Yeah, he told me because I forgot to get them from him. He told me he had them.
No, he's been good. And he told me he's gonna give us a receipt too. Your boy Jorge never touched it back, so I'm waiting for that before I start blowing him up.
Cool.
Ricky and Mike, we got the receipts for that. Then Dan, you'll get one from Dan too. That's pretty much That was all right. That's just the wrapping, and this just didn't come out perfect like we wanted it. But it's like I did one wrapping. I was all for it, but that was the only good point though. Like when they came in, it just didn't look right.
It didn't look good. That's just true. Now, I mean, kudos to Kai for actually saying it straight up. Like, look, this ain't looking good, man. And I appreciate that. You know what I mean? No doubt about it. I do. So it's cool. All right. So, at any rate, let's get back to we back recording again. So let's see. So
this or the windows or the settlements. Which one do you want to be
on? Let's go to settlements right now. So remaining, we still got Dan. Still got you. These guys never call, and when they call, I'll pay them. I got space.
But that's the only
cash this already, so that's paid in full.
Yeah, that's JT paid in full.
Yeah.
So it's just those three. The one thing Dan wanted me to explain to you, and he tried to be fair. One thing that was out of his work scope that he didn't expect when JT came and just started busting down stuff, because there was a lot of drywall than expected. Like the other stuff, I don't know if you read the add-ons.
I did.
Like the price and stuff. He was being fair, and that was I just added because remember I was like 1,000. Then he gave me an exact one, so it wasn't
like 18.
Yeah, it wasn't 1,000 and another 16. It was just 1,000 and that leftover, the 6. That's what's in here.
Yeah.
So you know.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's really it. And like I mentioned, I'm not until everything is done. I don't expect to get paid. Just have to take care of that next when is done.
Yeah. So $7,200.
So let's would you just rather have do those checks at the end of his check at least end of next week, or do you want to write it out already? How do you want to do it?
We do it in next week.
That's cool. Fine. One thing is let's do a total though. I think I just want to see.
Well, this ain't updated. It's only been updated through the 22nd.
No, so the only thing today. Hold on, go back. Let's go back.
All right, let me pause.
Can you do me yep? Let's pause because I needed something. Can you? I want to see something. Can you log into the Lowe's? Like, does it show you my expenses too or no?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to see something. This is the Bible, though, dude. Now I learned a lot. This chart. The only thing I know you want me to work on, and I'm gonna do it, is the Gantt chart. You gotta just sit down and look at a video.
Yeah.
Even if you want to learn it too, we can do it together because you know how to do it. You used to do them, but I know it's been years because you used to have people do it for you.
I used to do that. I used to have to do that crap. Never when people had to do it for me, I was like, shoot, I ain't gotta worry about this.
No, we gonna get there, man.
Well, I used to have Microsoft Project that was specifically for for management.
All right.
All right. So what we get from Lowe's today?
So it was just paint. So I'm about to update that, but go back.
Oh, just paint and state.
Yeah, just 4 of them. Whatever's left extra, you're gonna take the Bergman, but that should be like the right amount. All right.
So Mike Moy.
No, I use his discount. Go back. Hit that one. 11.20. So I want to check something. Yep, that was that day. I gotta return this still. Just want to check. and the sticks. All right. So hold on 1 second. Because I have this receipt. What happened is this. I started organizing them and they're in the pile. I just wanted to see a live data of this. This is the 23rd. Whose discount do you use when you go? Do you use Rick's?
Yeah, if he's with me.
Okay. Plywood.